Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Thursday, June the 13th, 2024. I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4-star Sudoku. Two puzzles remain, the jigsaw Sudoku and the binary. Yes, it's binary time. And this one will be number 8714. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 17 printed digits. That's a lot. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8. Binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Let's get started. There's a lot of O's. Double O, here one, there one. 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 Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Well, I think this box should be an O, because if I place a 1 here, then these 3 boxes should be an O then. We have 4 1s. So, not the solution. This box should be an O. Alright, between two 1s comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Between the O's comes in 1, double 1, here no, there no, double O, here 1, there 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Between the 1s comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between the 1s comes an O. Between the O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4 1s, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. And 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes a 1. Finish in 3 minutes. Well, without comparing. And we solve it again. And I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it all solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle, the jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.